Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable two-factor authentication in Epic Games. Open Epic Game Launcher. Click your username. Click Manage Account. Click Password and Security. Two methods available for two-way authentication. One method is Authenticator app, another one is email authentication. Click Enable Email Authentication. Copy security code from email. Paste security code and continue. Email authentication is successfully enabled. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.